Hi friends, it's Rosemary from Usborne Books and More. I'm so excited you're joining me tonight for a Sqweee event, and I wanted to take a quick second and kind of walk you through how Sqweee works just real fast. On the right hand side of your screen you will see a chat box, and I will be in there chatting away, showing links, asking you guys questions, so be sure and respond and kind of let me know what you like, what you love that you're seeing, that kind of thing. On the other side of the screen, on the left-hand side of the screen, there are private messages, and you can kind of see who's here. You can see if any of your friends are here, and you can send them a private message, or you can send me a private message. At the bottom of the screen, there are going to be books that you will see in the videos, and if you see something that you absolutely love, you can hit the little star button and it'll save to your favorites, and then at the end of the party, you'll be able to pull up all the books that you've starred, and then you'll kind of be able to know like which ones that stood out to you the most that way. So that's just a real quick introduction. If you have any questions, please send me a message in the chat or post it in the chat because maybe someone else has the same question. So anyway, let's get this party started. Bye.